Okay, so I just got a text that there was a free pressure washer alongside the road down from my house. And naturally I went and got it. There's a little bit of varnished gas in there, not bad. Spins over just fine. I already checked the oil, it's good. And it looks actually fairly clean too. Looks like the gas tank's a little cracked right there. Nothing little JB Weld can't fix. But we're going to see if it's going to start up and do some pressure washing for free.
You do drugs?
Well, went ahead and put some fresh gas in it. Gonna give it a few primes. It's picking up fuel. Okay, let's see what it does. Very hard to record and pull. Do I have it on? I think so. Uh-oh. Got a leaky handle. I don't know. That might have been the reason why it was thrown out. Try a different handle. I have another one. Try and rev it more. Sounds good. What we got now? None. Let's try a different handle. Okay, so I exchanged the handle out for this HomeLite one. You can see that one sitting there. Working good now. I've made some progress. This is like after 5 minutes of me owning this pressure washer, after picking it up for free alongside the road. Nice.
All right, all right, all right.
Here we go. also got that rototiller for free. Well, there you have it. A lot of times it's worth stopping and picking these things up that are for free alongside the road. I mean, like I said, I took it out of the truck, checked the oil, number one, then checked to see if it spun over, which it did, and thirdly, checked to see how bad the gas was, which sure enough it was really bad, varnish gas, and looked to be there was some water in it. So I tipped it on its side for a minute and stuffed a rag down in there and got all the water and varnishy gas out of it and added new gas. I didn't even clean the carburetor. That would have been step 4 had it been running like shit. But it's not. It runs fine. If it starts to run bad, then what you're going to want to do next is take the carb apart and figure that out. But it runs good enough to start doing all that nonsense right now. So I'm going to run it. Cool. Got a free pressure washer. Oh, but I mean, unless if you're like me and have like 4 or 5 of these wands laying around from other free alongside the road pickups. This one was bad and was leaking terribly, as you saw. And I had this other one off of a pressure washer that just refuses to build pressure. And it leaks a little bit, like right here, but not enough to say so. And it works really well. So there you have it. If you want me to do a video on trying to get this rototiller going, like I said, it was free alongside the road right with that pressure washer, so maybe we will. Alright, till next time. Like, comment, subscribe. Franklin Stein's Garage.
Oh! Louie got a free pressure washer today. Babe! He's washing everything. The steps. The car. Yeah. He had to fix the nozzle. Oh no. Oh shit. It's not because you sprayed water on it?
No. Maybe.
Oh man. Great. Well, it was good for a minute. Clean the steps and the couple of the vehicles. Uh-oh. Ruh-roh. What?
It'll get going again.
Oh.